In this video, we'll be reviewing inline edit and manage templates. First, navigate to your templates by choosing Listings, View Edit Templates. And here we can see all of our saved templates. To enable inline edit, select the button here. And we can now make quick edits to our template titles and change the active status. For example, you can click in here, change this title, choose update, and now that title has been changed. You can change the active status to make the template active and show up in the drop-down when creating listings. And you can also update to take them away from the drop-down. And that is inline edit for managing templates.